This time I visited Beopjusa, an ancient temple nestled deep within Songnisan Mountain. Hosojailgaram, the greatest temple in all of Chungcheong. Following the path beside the flowing stream, the temple's grand gate, Gumgangmun, gently comes into view. Inside Gumgangmun, Boyon, Munsu Bodhisattvas, and a pair of Vajra warriors who guard the temple are enshrined. As I stepped into the temple, countless lanterns cast their gentle glow above me. The temple's second gate, Sacheon Wangmun, comes into view. Inside the massive gate, the four heavenly kings stand guard in all directions, silent protectors of the temple. And yet, in their expressions, it feels as if they're greeting me with a gentle smile. As I step out of Sacheon Wangmun, the Grand Palsangjeon reveals itself before me. It is the only remaining wooden pagoda in Korea, designated as National Treasure Number 55. This structure holds the essence of Buddhist philosophy and the finest example of Joseon-era wooden architecture. Looking upon it, I feel a silence so deep as if even time has paused to rest here. Beside Palsangjeon stands the grand and magnificent gilt bronze Maitreya Buddha. Standing before it, I felt a quiet peace, as if comforted without a single word. In front of Palsangjeon, the twin limestone lantern draws the eye. Two lions, symbols of strength and wisdom, silently guarding the path of light. At the heart of Beopjusa stands the stone lantern of the four heavenly kings. Though its flame has long faded, the spirit of protection carved into the stone still seems to quietly watch over the temple. Deep within the temple grounds stands Daeongbojjeon, the heart of Beopjusa. Standing where countless footsteps and prayers have passed, I feel a quiet stillness settle within me. I quietly take a step into this serene and silent space. Inside Daeongbojjeon, the seated triad of Buddhas sits in serene harmony. Their compassionate gaze feels as if they've long understood my heart, as if they might grant my wish without a single word. Beopjusa in Boon is home to many other cultural treasures, a precious piece of history and a living heritage. When I come here, my heart slowly quiets down, and before I know it, I begin to reflect on myself.